I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from Yakeen 2.0. First, familiarize yourself with the program's structure and content. This foundational step ensures you know what to expect and how to navigate the material. Next, develop a realistic study schedule that fits your daily routine, allocating specific times for different subjects. Finally, incorporate active recall methods like flashcards or self-quizzing to significantly boost your memory and understanding of key concepts. To truly maximize your learning, prioritize understanding the core concepts before attempting to memorize facts. Once you grasp the why, the what becomes much easier. Consistent practice is crucial. Dedicate time to solving problems and working through past papers to apply your knowledge. Don't shy away from challenging topics. Instead, revisit them often. Frequent review sessions, perhaps 2 to 3 times a week, will solidify your understanding and prevent forgetting. Make the most of all available resources, including the primary study materials and any supplementary content provided. These tools are designed to enhance your learning experience. Actively participate in discussion forums or study groups. Explaining concepts to others or asking questions can clarify your own understanding. Implement a structured review system, performing quick weekly checks and more comprehensive monthly reviews to monitor your progress and identify areas needing more attention. For advanced study, try teaching concepts to a friend or even explaining them aloud to yourself. This method, often called the Feynman technique, reveals gaps in your knowledge. Remember, your physical well-being directly impacts your mental performance, so prioritize adequate sleep, a balanced diet, and regular breaks. These habits are just as important as your study time. And hey, for some great deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks, make sure to check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.